Hey, what's up guys, Skill Healer here, and today I'm going to be teaching y'all how to fix crashing and freezing in Marvel Rivals. So basically the first thing you can do is you can go to Steam, navigate to the Marvel Rivals in the library, and then click on the gearbox. From there you can click on properties, go to installed files, and verify integrity of game files. And this will ensure that none of your files are corrupted. And this could be a potential reason why your game may be crashing due to corruption in the files. So the next method is to go to the top left corner of your screen, click on the icon, click on settings, and navigate to in-game. From there, you want to disable this option, which is enable the Steam overlay while in game. And this will hopefully decrease the amount of CPU workload and should ensure your game runs more smoothly and prevent any crashing and freezing from happening. The next method I want to show you is also very simple. All you want to do is go down to the bottom left of your Windows machine. If you're running on Windows 11, this should be pretty much the same. And you just want to search graphic settings. From here, you can turn on this option, and this will help with your overall in-game performance and make your GPU work a bit harder. You guys can also click on Browse, navigate to your game file, which is typically found in Steam Apps Common, and then Marvel Rivals in this case, and then click on Marvel Rivals Launcher.exe and add it. It will appear right here. And then you want to click on Options and select High Performance and then Save. This will ensure your GPU will be pretty much overclocked just for this game, will make the performance way more smoother, and hopefully prevent any crashing and freezing from happening. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how to configure the settings inside the game. So you can also go in the game itself. So in the top right corner of your screen, you can click on this, go to settings, and for display mode, you can either select borderless windowed or full screen. It should run much better than windowed itself, since your GPU would actually be utilizing like close to 100%. And you guys want to enable NVIDIA DLSS if you guys are using an NVIDIA graphics card. If not, you guys can go select AMD FSR. That is going to be the best option for AMD GPUs. For super resolution mode, you want to select performance, and this you can leave at 80 or you can lower it. It doesn't matter too much. And this is the important part. You want to make sure you enable AMD FSR 3 frame generation. This will tremendously help your game performance and reduce crashing and freezing if you guys are using a much more slower or lower end CPU. You also want to enable NVIDIA Reflex low latency if you guys can. And in terms of the graphics quality, you want to set everything to low. Model detail, performance. This, you can turn it off, because reflections use up a lot of your GPU as well as CPU, so you want to turn this off. You also want to turn global illumination off as well. And this is generally how you want the settings to look. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Hope this video helps. If you guys have any questions or concerns, let me know in the comment section below. Anyway, see ya.